Hi, my name is April, 37 years old, married with 5 kids from Philippines. I worked before in Abu Dhabi 2 years and in Kuwait for 5 years under one employer. I can clean the house, I can wash and iron clothes, I can take care of kids and willing to take care of newborn. I can cook chicken curry, matchboos, macaronia, bechamel, and willing to learn more. I can make salata, sandwiches, Arabic coffee, Turkish coffee, and tea. I am expecting 1,700 dirhams for my monthly salary. I am aware that I have no day off with 2 years contract, and I will be able to use my mobile after all my work is finished. Thank you.